Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And today we're going to be checking out the 2022 Air Jordan 3 Fire Red. Now, it's been 34 years since we actually had this sneaker come out with the actual Nike Air branding on the back of the shoe. Now, I am totally excited. I'm about 4 months a little late, but it's better late than never. I've been gone for a little while. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, just do me a favor, hit the link at the top of the screen and check it out. It'll explain, where I've been and, what I've been up to. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. Before we jump into today's video, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. And please hit that subscribe button. Come and join the family. It's your man, the son of some man. And let's get into it. All right, guys, wasting absolutely no time. We're going to start off with the bottom. As you can know, we got the Air Jordan 3 outsole, which is a classic outsole made up of gray, red, and white. Also, we got your Nike branding in a bold fire red as well. Now, don't get me wrong, but I gotta say, this has to be close to one of the top 3 Air Jordan sneakers, out there. It's just my opinion, you know what I mean? Anyway, guys, also too, if you want to grab yourself a pair and you haven't grabbed yourself a pair from the recent release, then hit up J&M Sneakers. Links will be left in the description down below. Also, 8 and 9, they take care of your boy. My link to my discount code will be left in the description down below. Make sure you check them out. Use SomeMan300 and get yourself 15% off at the 8 and 9 website. Love you guys over there at 8 and 9. You guys do nothing but take care of me. Truly appreciate you guys. All right, guys, back into the sneaker. Right away, we're going to look at the fire red as it wraps around, almost the entire shoe, but basically it wraps around the entire back half of the sneaker with the see-through air bubble. Very nice and clean. White midsole. Moving around to the front toe cap of the shoe, we are going to see this thin mud guard, but now the cement print is awesome. It's just like back in '88, man. This actually looks like the elephant, the wrinkles in an elephant's ear. Not to where, in the past couple of years, the elephant print looks like someone just took a Sharpie and just had at it. You know what I mean? Really no, detail into it. Really no love into it. But now this shoe, the overall shape, the overall smell of the leather actually smells like leather. Like I mentioned, the overall shape, the overall, detail in the shoe is absolutely beautiful. All right, now taking a look at the front mud guard, which is in elephant print. Very, very thin, very, very nice, just like the original. So dope. I actually really, really like it. Moving up, you got your 5 bright red eyelets. You have a flat white lace, and this is the only lace that actually came with the sneaker, which is true to its originality. Back in '88, that's the only, lace that came with the sneaker, which was a white lace. Moving up, you have your white tongue, also with an embroidered fire red Jumpman. Very, very dope. If I didn't mention before, I'm going to mention it now. It also comes with your Nike Air hang tag. And if you guys know me, you guys been here a while, you know how I feel about me and my Nike Air hang tags. They're all over the place. All right, as for the sock liner and the back of the tongue actually has a fire red. Really nice. And the sock liner is that gray. Really, really comfortable, really nice. For the insole, we have a all fire red insole with Nike Air right there in white on the heel of the insole. Taking a look at the medial side, like I mentioned before, with the with the cement print, really nice. It actually looks like what it's supposed to look like. You know what I mean? When I do a comparison video on this pair and the pairs that came out from 2001, then to the pair that actually came down in the Fire Reds came out in 2006, 2007, I believe. That is the actual first retro of the Fire Red 3s. So we're gonna be taking a look at that in the next video. So please do me a favor, if you're brand new, your first time checking us out over here, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I can't stress it anymore. Moving up, the collar of the shoe, we have some Fire Red with some perforated holes. I'm guessing that's for air circulation, for your feet and whatnot. But yeah, man, these are very dope, man. Now that's pretty much going to wrap it up for us here today, guys. But let me know down in the comment section, please, what you guys think of the Air Jordan 3 Fire Red. Also, stay tuned. We're going to have a comparison video. You're not going to want to miss it. If you guys know, then you know. It is your man, Thesonofsomeman, and we are out, guys. Peace.